Hi, my name's Paul, and this is Async, a new developer tool that mixes parts of Claude Code with task management and GitHub PR. So Async works a little bit differently than most other coding agents on the market. To do work in Async, you just create an issue. So currently we're open sourcing the repo, so I want to say something like migrate the credentials to environment variables, OpenAI, Firebase, etc. And that's it. You can kind of move on, forget about it, move on with the rest of your day. So we kind of designed it for that asynchronous workflow where something comes up, you just jot it down here and you can come back to it whenever you like. The first thing we actually do is we research the tasks. So we spin up a lightweight coding agent to gather requirements and come up with a set of clarifying questions. We do this because we know oftentimes when you're just vibe coding or like writing something in a to-do list, you're not very specific. And if you're not very specific, the coding agent's not going to be very specific either. So once you come back to it, you'll see something like this. So in this case, I said, make the title truncated into app breadcrumbs if it's too long. It asked me what's the maximum width for breadcrumb item. In this case, 320 pixels should be fine. Only apply to the last item. And yes, tooltip on hover is a very nice touch. So you'll be able to see the requirements that it just compounded here from the questions that I asked, some stuff it drove. And you can click execute to execute. And once you do this, again, you can swipe away, do whatever you want, move on to the rest. Once we're actually done with the work, we show you a page like this. And what's a little bit different about how we do things is we use stacked diffs. We thought a lot about how can we make it easier for you to review code, and we think it's inherently just hard to review code. But one of the things that we like a lot are stacked diffs. So each of these commits are real commits in the GitHub PR, and we visualize the diff to break it down logically. So you can see, hey, this is updating a task management button. This is updating just the inbox row, and be able to leave comments on the PR. And if you leave comments here, I don't know, say like fix this, and click on review, as well as request changes, Async will go and pick that up and then make the changes immediately. But yeah, so that's Async. Hope you try it out. Thank you.